Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set off Do Not Disturb notification in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search options. Here already I have clicked and go to the settings, and here we have to go system. So here the notification what have it has alerts from apps and system do not disturb. So here I will get it. So here I have opened or turn on it before. Now I want to off. So when I turn on, so here see, when I keep the mouse on this icon or press this icon or just keep this icon, see, we have seen no new notification and do not disturb on has been revealed here. And here the sign icon is revealed here. This sign and this sign has been same. Now I want to off. So when I get off, then the sign has been removed. So click here. See, the sign has been removed. So in this way we can turn off this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.